How to turn off auto translate in TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and go to Language. Go to the Translation section and disable Always Translate Posts. You have now successfully turned off auto translation. TikTok posts will no longer be translated into your translation language. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and turn off auto translate in TikTok.